Hey there. Tired of seeing a monthly maintenance fee on your Bank of America statement? Avoiding those fees is often a matter of meeting just one simple requirement. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to avoid them. For most personal checking accounts, you can avoid the monthly fee by doing one of the following: maintaining a minimum daily balance, e.g., $1,500, having at least one qualifying direct deposit per month, like your paycheck, or maintaining a combined balance across linked Bank of America and Merrill accounts. You can see your account-specific requirements in the Schedule of Fees, or right in your online account details. My crucial pro tip? Set up a small, recurring direct deposit if needed. If maintaining a minimum balance is tough, the direct deposit requirement is often the easiest path. Even a small, recurring transfer from another bank can sometimes qualify. Check with Bank of America to confirm what counts. That's how you keep more of your money in your account, where it belongs. What's your strategy for avoiding bank fees, minimum balance, direct deposit, or something else? Share it below. For more guides on keeping your banking costs down, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.